morning guys, today in this video I'm going to share you about the PUBG Lite. So if you guys don't know what is a PUBG, this is the battle royale game and it's a top most played on the world, and yeah, you should also play this game. So I know that many of you guys have played this game and some of you guys are facing the problem like it's super lagging, it's super choppy where you guys are playing. So with this Lite version you guys can play this in lower end device or with the less RAM or with the less graphics processor. So I'm gonna show you how to set this up on proper format. So right now, if you find on the YouTube that most of the people show you guys just how to install this and they don't show you how to set up it properly. And many of people they're commenting about like a server issue shit is going on and you can't fix that shit, right? So yeah, I'll show you the fix, and as well as I will show you how to set this up on your mobile device. All right,
if you guys are new to this channel and you love entertaining video just like this, then you guys are at the right place. So please be sure to subscribe to my channel by tapping on this red subscribe button, and also make sure to tap on the notification bell icon so that you will get notification of latest update video from the channel.
So the very first thing is that you guys want to go ahead on to my link in the description, and these are the OBB file and the APK file. All right, so this is by the Tsend itself, and yeah, the OBB is also given by the Tsend, and all you guys need to do is download this both file. It will be on the media file or the mega ngjet. As possible, I will put this file onto the media file to make this easy. So yeah guys, so let's open this APK file first once you have downloaded, and you want to hit and install. So if this asks you for the unknown resources permission, then make sure to give the check up those unknown resources by going to your phone setting. So now install this PUBG Mobile Lite. And as you guys can see that my app is been already installed right now. Now all you guys want to do is open this for first time. All right, so if you try to open this right now, and you will see some error, and we need to create that error to generate the folder. All right, so you can see the download failed because you have not purchased this game. Yes, you need to purchase this game, so yeah, you want to close this out. So what we do right now is that you have just created the folder onto your OBB file. All right, now you want to move this OBB file onto that OBB folder. So to do that, you want to move this file onto your device storage onto the Android and go down onto the OBB, and you will see the tsend.iz lite. All right, so this is the folder that it created. So if you guys don't open the game, it won't create this folder. So guys, make sure to create this folder. All right, or just open the game and it should create you the folder, and then you guys want to move here, and there we go guys, as you guys can see right there. So now if you try to open your game now, you might think this game will work for you, but it won't work for you until you try with the DNS. So guys, let me show you the actual reality over here. It should load you the game completely, but you will find some kind of error like a server error issue and something else like that. As you guys can see that there is the server did not respond to please return to the page and try again. This will pop up for entire life if you try keeping doing this. So yeah, just close this game right now, and you need to fix the DNS onto your mobile device. So I recommend you guys to install this application. It's called the Dns Changer. This is completely free on the Play Store. The link will be under my description down below. So guys, you guys can just go ahead on my link under my description to download this Dns Changer. Now once you have downloaded this Dns Changer, all you guys want to do here is tap onto the Dns Changer, and then you want to set this IP address. All right, it's a 124.6.169.181, and it's same onto the DNS number 2, as you guys can see right there. Now all you guys want to do here is tap on the start button. All right, so as you guys can see that we have just tapped on the start, and it should show you the connected option right just like this. Now go back and you want to run the PUBG again. It's a PUBG Lite, as you guys can see right there. Well, now let's see. This should be able to run onto the 2 GB of your device memory as well. So yeah, all you guys need to do is create your avatar here, or anything else that you guys want to say. So I will set this as this one person here, and you want to add the nickname here as anything else like Hiraku or something else. All right. Oops. Okay. Number 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. As you guys can see that I have logged in this as a guest, so now I can play this right now. Close this, and you can change to the solo, or you can also squad play, but let's try to start the match right now, and let me show you the proof that this is working perfect. And tap on allow if you guys want to use the microphone of your mobile device. And also let me show you guys, this is working perfectly fine without any lag. So as you guys can see that there is no any kind of lag and any stutter, any glitch. No, this is working super and fine. And yeah, the map is very small. As you guys can see, this is kind of like a rules of survival map. If you try to play the rules of survival map, this is the same map. I think this is the size of the map on the rules of survival. So yeah, this is also the perfect game if you guys want to play. Okay, so let me show you. Well, so you can see that there is no any kind of lag issue or something like the graphics is not rendered like something like that. It's rendered properly, as you guys can see right there. The game is fully loaded properly without any kind of hesitation. So yeah guys, this is not any kind of a gameplay or something like that, but I'm just trying to show you guys this is perfectly working. And I've been working something like a gameplay, but I never did a gameplay on my YouTube channel ever. So yeah, let's see some gameplay right now to show you the proof. Okay, this is not any kind of gameplay, this is the proof to show you guys that it's working perfect. Alright, so let's kill somebody. If I find some enemy right here, it's very good. Let's die or do it. Alright peeps, it's our chicken dinner. Let's stay alive. Well, it's very dim, I can't see anything. Alright, 1 versus 1. I think he's inside this house. Yep, I saw you. Yeah, we win. It's a first chicken dinner onto the guest mode. So yeah guys, this is how you can play the PUBG Mobile Lite, and it's working perfectly fine. As you guys can see, I won the chicken dinner even. So yeah guys, show some love by subscribing to this channel. If you love to play with me, then let me know on a comment. Add to this ID right now. And thank you so much for watching as usual. So guys, I will see you guys in the next time. Till then, peace.